Hey everyone, happy Halloween. Today, to set the mood, we're going to be talking about something really spooky, and that's being sued. So, you'd think in 2017 there would be a lot of different rules regarding social media and posting other people's content on there. But surprisingly, even though we've had 10 plus years of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, we really haven't seen any laws come up regarding posting other people's content. Even if you attribute someone else's work, it's still technically their work. I'm going to take this popular excerpt from Forbes.com, for example. Daniel Morel, a Haitian photographer, took photographs of the 2010 earthquake in Haiti. The Agence France Presse obtained from the Twitter feed of a third party and distributed without his permission. AFP brought a suit seeking a ruling that had not violated Morel's copyrights, claiming that AFP should be protected by Twitter's terms of service, which would allow Twitter, quote unquote, to make your tweets available to the rest of the world and let others do the same. AFP, however, underestimated the importance of the next sentence. But what's yours is yours. You own your content. Morel countersued for copyright infringement. The court ruled in Morel's favor, holding that Twitter's terms of service do not permit third parties to remove content from Twitter to post elsewhere. A jury found the infringement to be willful, awarding Morel $1.2 million in statutory damages, the maximum possible statutory award. So there has been court cases to prove that if you take someone else's content, even if you attribute it, you can get in a lot of trouble. But what if you just slightly altered it? Maybe just made a small modification. Would you get in trouble then? You might think so, but I don't know. The reason I say I don't know is because I don't think anybody knows. There doesn't seem to be a concrete law restricting people from altering or modifying people's photos and claiming them under as transformative fair use. Richard Prince is a really well-known example for this. He's an appropriation artist who makes changes to other people's work and claims that it's new work and distinct. Prince was sued by photographer Patrick Carriot on what has become a seminal fair use case. Though it didn't necessarily involve social media, Patrick Carriot's Instagram photos were taken by Richard Prince, modified to fit a large Instagram-style frame with additional modified comments and captions, and put on display at a museum in New York and sold on the upwards of $100,000 each photo. As someone who's going to be a social media manager one day, I hope, I found this really interesting because I think that a lot of people don't realize that there are some boundaries regarding what you can and can't post on social media. Even if you are, just sharing a post to your corporate Instagram page, or you're copying some type of image and just adding some comments and saying, hey, we're having a sale from someone else's photo. If you're selling that, and if you're, making money off of that, there's a lot of trouble to be had. So as someone who's going into this field, I think unless I can get the proper licensing, permission, and even then, sometimes that's not enough. Making sure that you have proper licensing and rights to a photo is essential before you post anything, modified or not. I mean, even if I were to somehow sell this video either on YouTube, monetized, or as a Facebook sponsored ad, I would get into a lot of trouble probably. I could get into a lot of legal trouble. Richard Prince himself, he could sue me because I used his image in here. I used his gallery image. So Richard Prince, if you're watching this, I deserve to be sued. I learned nothing. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video. So happy Halloween, everybody. Remember, do 3 things today. Eat a lot of candy. Don't get sued. And license all your photos. That's all I got. See you later.